Hello and welcome back. Today I'm at the Mumbai International Airport to board my Vistara flight to Maldives. This is the second busiest airport in India. After completing the security check in and immigration, now we are proceeding towards the boarding gate. Here you can see many eateries and duty free stores, and if you want to buy something, you can buy it from here. These stores are available at Terminal 2, Level 3, and 4 in international departures. The Vistara flight, which I have booked, is a direct flight from Mumbai to Maldives, and the approx flying duration is around 2 hours. At Mumbai airport, you can shop for your loved ones, you can buy some souvenirs for them, or maybe buy some chocolates. Here, there is a lot of variety, and if you have forgotten to buy something for your loved ones, this is the perfect place to do a last minute shopping just before boarding your flight. Mumbai Airport is huge, and these automated walkways help you go from one place to another very easily. It saves you from being tired of long walks, and it is also a savior when you have to rush for your flight and you are already late. Now it is the time to board the flight and get on this beautiful vacation. Now I'll see you straight from the flight or maybe in Maldives. The Republic of Maldives is an island nation in the Indian Ocean. It is composed of multiple atolls, which are made up of a total of 1,196 islands and is located in the continent of Asia. After a 2-hour flight from Mumbai, now we are landing at Velana International Airport, which is the international airport in Maldives. This is very well connected with Indian destinations such as Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and more. After a 2 hours flight from Mumbai, now I have landed in Maldives. This is one of the most awaited vacations of 2024 for me. While planning a holiday in Maldives, there are a few things which you have to take care of. First of all, if you are a family, so you have to book a resort which has a lot of family activities. It has activities for your children, for the adults, and also if there are elderly as well. Same way, if you are a honeymoon couple or just a couple, or if you are looking for only adults only hotel, you can look for such hotels and book a vacation as per that. After completing the immigration process and collecting the bag, now it is time to head out and move towards our transfer. Maldives is unlike other destinations. In other destinations, usually what happens is that you come out of the arrival hall and there's a taxi waiting for you, and that would take you to the hotel or the resort which you have booked. But in Maldives, it is not like that. Here you can see many counters, and these counters belong to the resorts from where the transfer happens. The resort where I'll be staying is Sun Siam Oluhuveli. So here you can see that they have already added a bag tags to our bags, and these bags we will get straight in the room where we'll be staying for 3 nights. There are two ways of transferring to your hotel or resort from the airport. The first one is speedboat and the second one is domestic flight or a seaplane. So, a speedboat is a boat which will take you straight to the resort from the airport. But if you have booked a domestic flight or a seaplane, so there is another small airport just adjacent to the main airport. From there, the transfer happens. To board the speedboat, you have to cross the road and go towards the opposite side of the airport. All the speedboats arrive there and board the passengers and then transfer to the resorts. Here you can see the ferry pricing if you want to go to the main city and the capital of the country, which is Male. Now I have boarded the speedboat and transferring to our resort. The resort name is Sun Siam Oluhuveli and it is a 45 minutes boat ride from the airport. While planning your vacation to Maldives, it is very important to book or look for a resort as per your selection and choices because in Maldives there are no sightseeing places. The only sightseeing or activities which you have is the ones which are available at the resort. While looking for resorts in Maldives, I would suggest that you should avoid staying in Malé because Malé is a city and when you come to Maldives, the most important thing which you want is to experience the island life. And when you stay in Malé city, you will miss out on that. After a 45 minute speedboat ride, now I have reached my resort, which is Sun Siam Oluhuveli, and I could see few crew members waiting for us to give us a warm welcome. Sun Siam Oluhuveli offers 4-star accommodation in South Male Atoll. This resort is unique because it is spread across three islands, that is the main island, Dream Island, and Romance Island, which is also an adults only island. This resort has soft white sandy beaches and stretches of sandbank and a vast lagoon which is perfect for water sports. It has three large swimming pools which are infinity pools and a variety of dining options. Right now, we are at the dive center which is also the jetty when you arrive and depart from the resort. The check-in time at the resort is 3 p.m. and right now it is around 1:30. So, first we will go and have our lunch and then check into the room. Maldives has a wide range of resorts starting from the basic ones, the luxurious ones and the ultra luxurious ones. And in Maldives, the concept is usually one island has one resort. So, while selecting Sun Siam Oluweli for myself, I was surprised to see that this resort is spread across three islands and it has three parts. So, this was the most unique thing about this resort, and that is why I booked this resort. As this is a huge resort, the transfer to the rooms or any part of the resort happens in an electric bus. Now we are moving towards our wing, which is the Dream Island, and I am in the electric bus, which I just showed you. And this is the first bridge which we are crossing. So we are going from the main island to the Dream Island, where our water villa is located. We will be staying here for 3 nights, 4 days in a water villa with pool. So, when you stay in Maldives, the resorts will usually have water villas with facing the sunrise view or the sunset view, and the room which we have is a sunrise view. So, depending on the resort, you can select the room as per your likings. This is the water villa with pool section, which is in the Dream Island part of this resort. And now we will go inside and take a look at the beautiful room. This is the Grand Water Villa with pool, and this is our room for 3 nights and 4 days. The room is very spacious, and the decks are furnished with an oversized day bed, dining area, sun loungers, and a private pool which steps straight into the lagoon. The room size is approximately 112 square meters, which is a villa. It has a private pool, outdoor lounge, and a family of 3 to 4 people can easily stay here. The room is well equipped with facilities like air conditioning. There is tea and coffee maker in the room. There's ironing table. There are bathrobes, towels, extra towels, toiletries, and so many things. Talking about the deck of this room, I feel so good. The deck has an unobstructed view of the Indian Ocean and it is infinite. Today evening we have got an invitation for a beach party which has been hosted for the residents of the resort. So I will see you at the beach party now. This is the beach party organized for the residents of the resort. So it is around sunset and everybody is enjoying the sunset along with some nice music and drinks. As I'll be here for 3 nights and 4 days, you will get to see a lot more activities and more of the resort. So I'll finish the video here only. If you like our video and our channel, please do support us by subscribing and liking and sharing the video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice time.